a classic treat that never goes out of style. Smoked salmon bagels are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. The combination of rich, smoky salmon with creamy, tangy cream cheese and the fresh burst of dill creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. They are perfect for breakfast, offering a hearty start to your day, or for lunch, providing a satisfying and nutritious meal. Pair them with a cup of coffee or a fresh juice, and you have a meal that is both elegant and comforting. Making smoked salmon bagels at home is surprisingly easy. With just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time, you can create a gourmet experience in your own kitchen. Follow these step-by-step instructions to assemble your perfect bagel. Whether you're hosting a brunch or just enjoying a quiet morning at home, smoked salmon bagels are sure to impress. Share them with friends and family, and watch as everyone savors each delicious bite. This simple recipe is a surefire way to bring joy to any gathering. You will need a few simple ingredients. Start with fresh bagels like sesame or everything. Choose high-quality smoked salmon. Cream cheese is essential for creaminess. Begin by carefully slicing your bagels in half. Use a sharp knife to ensure a clean cut. This step is crucial for creating the perfect base for your toppings. Make sure each half is evenly sliced to allow for even toasting. Next, place the bagel halves into your toaster. Toast them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. This will give your bagels a delightful crunch on the outside while keeping them soft on the inside. Keep an eye on them to avoid burning. Once toasted, it's time to spread a generous layer of cream cheese on both halves. Use a knife to evenly distribute the cream cheese, ensuring every bite is creamy and delicious. Don't be afraid to add a little extra if you love cream cheese. Finally, add slices of smoked salmon on top of the cream cheese. The smoky flavor of the salmon pairs perfectly with the creamy texture of the cheese. Arrange the salmon slices evenly to cover the entire surface. Enjoy your bagel masterpiece. Smoked salmon bagels are full of flavor. The combination of the smoky, rich salmon with the soft, chewy bagel creates a delightful contrast that is hard to resist. Each bite offers a burst of savory goodness that is both satisfying and indulgent. The smoked salmon is rich and smoky. Its deep, complex flavors are enhanced by the curing process, which brings out the natural oils and creates a silky texture. When sliced thinly, it almost melts in your mouth, leaving a lingering taste that is both luxurious and comforting. Cream cheese adds a touch of tanginess. Its creamy texture perfectly complements the smoky salmon, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. The slight acidity of the cream cheese cuts through the richness of the salmon, making each bite refreshing and delightful. Enjoy your bagel with a side salad or fresh fruit. The crispness of a fresh salad or the sweetness of ripe fruit provides a wonderful contrast to the savory bagel, making your meal not only delicious but also well-rounded and nutritious. Whether you prefer a light, refreshing side or something sweet, the options are endless.